Hi there, students. To have your sights set on doing something, to set your sights on something, this means you have the thing as your objective. He's got his sights set on getting a good mark in the CPE. Okay, it's like you're aiming a gun. A gun has sights so that you can see where you're shooting. So it's saying he's aiming at. The Prime Minister has his sights set on reducing inflation. Okay, we're saying this is his objective. This is something he's trying to do in the medium or long term. He's got his sights set on becoming a doctor. Okay, so he wants to become a doctor. He's got his sights set on going to see this concert on Friday, but he needs enough money to pay for the ticket. I think maybe the concert, the period of time is a bit short. Okay, I think this is more a long-term objective. Okay, so to have your sights set on doing something. He has his sights set on radically improving his English. She has her sights set on becoming an Olympic athlete. She has set her sights, so notice it can go both ways. She has set her sights on becoming an Olympic athlete. Notice you can also set your heart on something, and the meaning is similar, but if you've set your heart, you want it really, really strongly, and you're going to be really, really upset if you don't get it. So he's got his heart set on visiting Alaska. If he doesn't visit Alaska in the long term, he's going to be upset. He's going to be really sad. He has his sights set on visiting Alaska. He's going to try hard and do it. He's going to try hard to do it, but if he doesn't manage it, it's not the end of the world. He's not going to start crying. Okay, so to have your sights set on something, your aim, what you want to do, your plans for the future. So what about formality? I think this is probably neutral formality. To have your sights set on something, you could definitely use it in an informal conversation in the pub. I think you could probably use it in a formal document as well. I think maybe something very formal, his objective is, his long-term aim is. But I think something that's medium formality, you could say somebody has set their sights on doing something. The government has set its sights on reducing inequality in our society. So notice, set your sights on, therefore the verb plus ing. Okay? So, set your sights on, neutral formality, to have as your objective, as your plan for the medium or long term. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To set your sights on something, to have your sights set on something.